Hello, everybody. How are you doing on this beautiful today? I believe is Thursday, July 7th. It's been an amazing day. It was a family day for us once a month that we have a family day during the week as everybody is keeping busy. But all in all, it's good. Today we caught up on errands and appointments and just enjoying quality time. Thing I want to know that I noticed when I was out and about was the medical, physical, and emotional well being of everyone around us today. You know, we have been coping with the most difficult conditions for almost 3 years now. And I don't mean the conditions that have been going on since the beginning of time. I mean the conditions and the toll that the past 3 years of what's been going on in the world has impact on individuals. What do I mean by that? The past couple of years, we have personally lost significant family members, friends, and loved ones unexpectedly. Not to justify that other people's passing and moving forward was justified, but they were in a lower level functioning of health. I'm talking about people who were in tip top shape and then their life was unexpectedly taken from them. Not that any life is more precious, valuable than others. But as I was going about the community today, I really realized that there are a lot of individuals who don't comply, are aware, or even want to have the energy of the basic fundamental steps in their well being personally. Now, I know isolation and distance and the lockdowns that some of you are still experiencing have played a significant factor. I don't think we really understood the significant compact of being interactive with one another on a three-dimensional plane. We are so two-dimensional now that the three-dimensional world is very limited, pardon me, and when we are in a three-dimensional world, it's not as comfortable or as smooth sailing as it's been in the past. And I want you to be mindful, regardless of age, that you have the capability, ability, strength, and knowledge. It's common knowledge, something that we understand and we take for granted every single day on the control of your well being and lifestyle. And that includes mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, on every level. When we were driving around and about, we were realizing and noticing the constant fast food chains that are cheap, quick, and convenient. We've noticed a lot of individuals, for one reason or another, are not well, whether it be due to obesity, whether it be recreational choices that were not chosen wisely, the environment that they put themselves in, the mindset that they put themselves in, let alone everything they ingest and intake in their mind, body, and soul. And that's what I truly believe has altered completely my shift of my well balanced lifestyle. Let me give you an example. All day until our family gathers in the evening, I do not put on the TV. I do not put on the radio. Anything that I am visibly watching is helping every one of you, learning about each and every one of you, providing positivity, passion, perseverance, progressions, and love emulated through whether it be TV, radio, international podcasts, shows, or speaking engagements, or one-on-one coaching. And when I do gather with my family for family time, the only entertainment we choose is to either go from two spectrums. We're either watching mindfulness, motivational, tutorial, educational content on our media platforms to help us grow personally and professionally, or as a family for entertainment, we are watching Disney movies, which have an underlying moral lesson, or we are watching individuals such as myself, live content of individuals going into theme parks down in Disney World. We are diehard Disney fans. So when I am not abreast of what's going on in the world, I have significant outlets who give me both sides of the story so I can make an informed decision, have awareness, or be mindful of. And those are my avenues, if you will, to make decisions. And if there is something that is really pertinent that I need to know, then I will do the exploration myself to the actual resource if made available. I used to come home from a day's work and just lie on the couch and binge watch TV for hours. I had this conversation with a friend of mine the other day. And my shifts would vary from 8 to 4, 9 to 5, 10 to 6, 11 to 7, or 12 to 8. But regardless of what time I came home, as soon as I walked through that door, washed up, I was lying horizontal on the couch for 5 to 6 hours at a clip, just being programmed, whether it be news, media coverage, or violence or drama. It was nothing beneficial to ingest into my mind. And when I unplugged in 2015 and started learning about the law of attraction, listening to motivational speakers such as my mentor, the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and the greats such as the late Bob Proctor, I unplugged from the world and then created my own world. And for those of you who have not watched my videos on my story, I welcome you to check it out on this link. But I made a conscious declaration and choice to the universe that I wasn't going to subject myself to that lifestyle, not allowing myself to grow every single day. And so when I unplugged, I also was ridden from all of my terminal, chronic medical conditions. So I encourage you, when you are watching this video, do a self-assessment. Take inventory of how you're utilizing your day. What are you putting into your mind as far as the people you surround yourself and the mindsets and the perspectives that they have? Number one. Number two, what are you listening to externally? What are your external influences? Are they positive? Are they programming? Or are they beneficial? And don't get me wrong, it's one thing to educate yourself and learn about all the others, but to make a conscious and informed decision for yourself, weighed on the statistics, facts, and information you are receiving. And thirdly, making sure you have time for fun.